Okay, I got cut off. Okay, so just to review, this is the original way that computers were built. You had to use the command line prompt. You had to know folder paths and file paths in order to navigate and look for files on your hard drive. You had to know that. And it's not really different. I mean, well, graphically, it's different today. All right, so if I minimize this, we can see the graphics here. It looks very colorful, very beautiful. All right, and also these graphics, they make things so much easier. That's why Microsoft made who was it? Bill Gates. Who was it? I think it's Bill Gates. That's why he's a multi-billionaire because he did this. He took the black screen and nixed it, and then he made this, which was light years easier than the black screen. Okay, so folder path, a path to a single file. I'm sorry, file path, a path to a single file, a path of parent and child folders to a single file. It is an address to a single file. Oh, didn't see that. Sorry. All right, so it is an address to a single file. All right, and here we have an example. Folder path, a path of folders to a single folder, a path of parent and child folders to a single folder. It is an address to a single folder. And if we open the File Explorer, which is how you would now search your hard drive or any storage device you have, you would use the File Explorer. You can see up here the breadcrumbs. All right, and the breadcrumbs display a folder path. Now the breadcrumbs are a navigational aid. So if I come here and let's go, let's see what's in here. Let's not go there. Let's go here. Okay, and let's go inside of here. All right, and we can see the folder path here. So we can see these folder paths. And the great thing about the breadcrumbs is that they are a navigational aid. All right, and I can click on these breadcrumbs to send me back to whichever folder is in the path. Of course, I could not do that in the black screen, but here I can do that. So if I want to go back to documents, I can click documents. All right, or if I wanted to go back to BALC, in this case, I can click BALC. All right, so sometimes your folder path and your breadcrumbs can get really long. If you're very organized, it will be long. Okay, so let's see. Is there one in here? No, nothing in there. I want to get a really long one. I can create some. All right, so right now, I just created a folder called example. And right now, I'm in the example folder. The example folder is in the test folder. The test folder is inside of the Photoshop Cloud Associates folder, and so on. The Photoshop Cloud Associates folder is in the Adobe folder. And you see how I just clicked on Adobe, it brought me right back to this folder. So that's why the breadcrumbs are very powerful. First of all, they tell you what folder you're inside of, and they also allow you to navigate quickly through your grandparent folders and your parent folders and your great grandparent folders. So it allows you to navigate back very easily.